Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you came to our YouTube channel for first time, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. In this video, we will discuss how we can change navigation tree in FS00 screen. Like you might have seen in FS00 screen, like where you used to create GL account for our company code, or we used to edit, or we used to display our GL account. This screen, this looks like that, or in some cases you have seen like this edit or all these used to come here. So that we will see like how we can change that display tree, so that you can easily do. Like one of my student was saying like, sir, in your screen it looks like that, in my screen it looks like that, why it's like that. So it's you can change, simply you can change in less than 1 minute you can do that. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, and this we are doing in S4 HANA 2023. It's the latest version of S4 HANA, and the procedure is same either you are using S4 HANA earlier versions like 2021, 2022, or 1909, 1610, whatever versions, or ECC, even in ECC the procedure is same. So how we can like make the changes, or uh, how we can make the changes to in that display tree. So simply you just need to go to setting. So just go to setting, and here just go to hierarchy display. So how you can change the navigation tree? So just see, like right now this is in display account in navigation tree. So if you like this type of display to create your GL accounts, it's fine, you can go for a display account in navigation tree. But if you don't like this type of screen, you just want to change that navigation tree, so how you can do that? So just simply select the first option, just hit enter, just select this, and yes, now once I will again open that screen, then it will come into effect. So let me use this T code again, hit enter. Now see, this have changed. Now this is coming here like GL account, company code, and create and change. So most of people are familiar with this type, they can go with that. If they just want to change it again, they can simply go again in setting, and they can go to navigation in hierarchy display. So in hierarchy display you can change the view. Like if you want to go for display account in navigation tree, they can select this checkbox. If they just want to go for do not display navigation tree, they can go with this. Okay, so let me go with this only, hit enter, and yes, once you will open that screen again in /n FS00, it will come into effect. So that's how you can change that. And this is same in ECC, S4 HANA, or S4 HANA's any version, that's the same. Even in that private cloud, that's the same. Okay, so if you are able to do that, you are able to change that theme, please like this video and comment your feedback in comment section, and please share with your SAP circle, as sharing is caring. So thank you, thanks a lot, may God bless you all.